on. It's like cam, like video, I mean. Or it should be, right? What's it say?
It's at 2 minutes.
Oh, you already started recording? All right. Am I still good?
All right.
I'm still ready.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
I'm really scared.
I'm scared too. I'm going on my butt, guys. I'm terrified.
Yeah, we got the easy job.
What?
Why are we all hunched up over here?
Yeah, wanna hold my
I
arm?
think this way might be the safest.
So go further down or here?
Like right here. This is even steeper.
It's just a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, are you gonna be okay? All right, guys. Nikki P, get that camera on us. We're coming down.
I think the board should go down. Whoever's sitting, because you guys just go
Board should go down
first.
I was gonna go behind you so I could record you too. That's fine. That's gonna record you too. Oh look, there's a beetle. Harrison, come over here. Don't go yet. All right.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous too.
I'm really nervous. No helmet, no nothing. Like I really am really nervous. Okay.
Ready?
You guys ready? We got to amp up a little bit.
Woo!
Woo! Woo! All right.
All right, in 3, 2,
Oh my God.
1.
Oh fuck me! Oh my fucking God! Oh shit! Woo! Oh my God!
Delicious, right? Come on. No.
Dude, that literally went everywhere. Kevin, oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Break, 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 break!
Oh, that was awesome. That was amazing.
Oh, fuck. Whoa, don't. Be careful with your board. Woo!
Who else can taste the dirt? These girls are gonna stand up. Get it, badasses.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
Stop moving!
You guys are brave.
Jenny, be careful.
Oh my God.
Guys. There's no shame in your game if you sit on that booty. Guys, it's so much more fun if you'd sit.
Yeah, Judy. Yeah. Get it.
You got this.
There you go.
Oh shit, oh shit. Woo! Woo! Oh, be careful. There's a big drop off right there. Just be careful, Judy. Like it goes like steep.
Oh, face plant. That's right, just contours Shane your face. Right. All right, we got one more hill. That way will be good. Which way?
I'm gonna just go right from here.
Yeah. Right? Yeah.
Should we wax again or no?
No.
Nah. Dude, that's straight down.
Straight down.
Oh, fuck me! Oh, my crotch. Woo! Yes! At least we're getting free dinner. Oh, my glasses are all fucked.
They've been dusted?
Oh, they've been dusted. Woo! Dude, I've sand everywhere. Go, Janny. You're doing pretty good. Bring it home. Huh? Oh. Dude, you're doing amazing still. Relax. You did great. PK ho! Come on! There you go. Put your arm in the air like you just don't care.
Go straight down, Jude. Don't go toe side. Just go straight. Bend your left leg. There you go. There you go. Good. Come on, Kevin.
Oh shit!
Hi.
Damn, get it! Dude, that was impressive. Good job. Woo! Good job, everyone.
One more time for shits and giggles.
Let's go.
No. This way should be easier though,
We
right?
got more hills to go. It's okay. Wow, that was so fun. Now it's gonna go in my butt.
Oh, it's already in my butt. It's in my butt. Feel like my asshole's got a little sand.
You guys.
But you're wearing, what's it called? Yoga pants.
They're holy.
Holy. What?
One shower. It's okay. Yeah. You should probably stop.
Yeah, as much as you can. Nikki P!
How we doing outside?
Woo!
Yeah. My ass hurts, my legs hurt, I'm done.
Isn't that a song?
I hope so. If it's not, let's make it.
I need water. Hydration right now. Hydration and granola bar.
This was fun coming down this time.
I'm gonna keep the GoPro on.